So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. In this video, I will share you top 5 base altcoins for this coming mega bull run here. Okay, all these altcoins are right now super low, okay, but definitely these altcoins have potential to be the next $1 billion altcoins here, and these altcoins can give us 1000x profit in this coming mega bull run here. Only one of them is already listed on Binance, but remaining four altcoins are still not listed on Binance exchange, but these altcoin has definitely potential to be the next listing for Binance exchange also. Okay, so without wasting time, our first altcoin is Banky. Okay, you can see Banky $0.01 current price, current market cap is $62 million. Why I add Banky? Okay, and why Banky is number one altcoin in my list? Because you can see Banky is the backbone of AVAX ecosystem. Okay, you can see AVAX ecosystem altcoin, and Banky is the backbone of AVAX ecosystem. You can see decentralized finance, yield farming for AVAX ecosystem, Binance Launchpad coin, okay, lending and borrowing on AVAX ecosystem. That is amazing. Liquidity staking governance tokens. So this is amazing. So these use cases, these narratives are really amazing. Okay, that's why Banky coin can be the next maybe 20 to maybe $30 billion market cap coin here. And Banky is the only altcoin in this list that is listed on Binance and Coinbase already. Okay, and friends, my price prediction about Banky coin is that maybe you can see its price up to $10 here. Okay, my minimum price prediction about Banky coin is $10, and its market cap can goes up to 20 to maybe $30 billion by the end of this coming mega bull. So friends, number second altcoin is TokenFi. Okay, TokenFi is a Floki Innos ecosystem coin. Okay, $0.06 current price. Okay, as market cap is $102 million. Okay, $102 million market cap. And this meme coin, sorry, this coin can be the next $1 billion coin. I will share you season why, because you can see this altcoin is working in AI. Okay, AI the hottest narrative for this coming mega bull, a governance token, and you can see real world assets. So these both narratives, AI and real world assets, are amazing. That's why this meme coin, this coin can be the next big altcoin here. This altcoin can be the next $1 billion altcoin here. Okay, still is not listed on Coinbase, on Binance. So this is another advantage for this coin. Okay, that definitely in future maybe we can see is listing on both major central exchanges. Okay, Binance and Coinbase. So then definitely we can see its market cap in $1 billion here. I think in this coming mega bull run, TokenFi can gain the market cap of 30 to maybe $40 billion here. Its price can reach from $0.06 to maybe $20 here. Okay, TokenFi has still potential to be the next maybe 500x or 1000x coin here. First number third coin is Core coin. Okay, one of my most favorite coin. Okay, one of my most favorite cryptocurrency. This coin can be the next Bitcoin here. Okay, current price is just $1. Okay, only $1, and I can see its market cap is already $942 million. Okay, $942 million altcoin still not listed on Binance. Okay, no doubt recently this was listed on Coinbase, but still this not listed on Binance. Okay, and already market cap is nearly $1 billion. But I think in this coming mega bull, this coin has potential to gain the market cap of 80 or maybe $100 billion here. Okay, it's possible that we can see core coin market cap up to $100 billion is coming mega bull here. Okay, 21 billion. Okay, 2.1 billion coin supply. Okay, and circulation 896 million coin only. And this has their own blockchain, a layer one blockchain. That's amazing. We are 83% down in its all time high and just 200% up in its all time low, listed on Coinbase, okay, MEXE, Bioeconomy, but it's still not on Binance exchange. Okay, and I already told you we can see its price maybe up to $100. Okay, from $1 to maybe $100 in this coming mega bull run, as market cap can reach $100 billion here. What your price prediction about Core? Do you think this coin can be the next Bitcoin or not? You can must comment down below. Friends, number four coin is SPA Express coin. My second favorite cryptocurrency, $0.007 price. Okay, a super low cap. You can see just $11.8 million market cap only. Okay, only 11.8 $8 million market cap. That's amazing. That's super low cap coin. Already listed on Coinbase. Okay, friends, SPA is listed on Coinbase, KuCoin. Okay, too many other centralized exchanges, but it still is not listed on Binance. Okay, and you can see this Arbitrum's ecosystem coin. Okay, that is amazing. That Arbitrum's ecosystem coin and DWF last portfolio. You can see a stable protocol because SPA has their own stable coin USDS name. Okay, and Alameda research portfolios. That's amazing that many big crypto portfolio are investing in SPA coin, and maybe in future we can see is Binance listing also. We are 97% down the initial time high already. Okay, 97% down. Okay, and still not listed on Binance. You can see Binance is not here, but Crypto.com, Coinbase, KuCoin, and La Token has already listed this coin. Just my price prediction about its market cap is that okay, it's right now its market cap is just $11 million, but this has potential to be the next $10 billion market cap coin here. Okay, by the end of next year, Mega Bullion, we can see its market cap up to $10 billion here, and its price can reach $1 here. Number fifth coin is Bread coin. Bread is a meme coin on Base Chain. Okay, and why I added this in this list because you can see its market cap is already $1.2 billion, but Braid can be the next Shiba Inu coin. Okay, because right now there's a massive hype for best chain meme coins, and this is number one best chain crypto. And maybe we can see Braid to flip Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin and be the number one meme coin. Okay, by the end of this mega bullion, market cap is already $1.2 billion, but I think maybe we can see its market cap up to 80 to maybe $100 billion by the end of this mega bullion. Okay, it's possible that we can see its market cap up to $100 million here. Okay, and it still is not listed on Coinbase and Binance. Okay, friends, it's still not on Binance and Coinbase, but already market cap is $1.2 billion. So Bread can be the next big meme coin here. Bread can be the next big coin in crypto industry, and maybe we can see it's ranking up to maybe top 10 here. Okay, so friends, these are the top five base altcoins that I'm also investing in these for this coming mega bullion here. Okay, what do you think? These have really potential to be the next 100, 500,000 x potential or not? So you can must comment down below.